This video will provide a brief overview to the textbook Introduction to Biblical Interpretation by Klein, Blumberg, and Hubbard. There are 5 major parts in this textbook. In part 1, the authors take up the whole idea of hermeneutics, explaining what it means and why we need it. This spans chapters 1 through 4. In part 2, they turn attention to ourselves as interpreters, what we bring to the text we're reading, and they talk about the goal, the objective, what are we after in the task of interpretation. This spans chapters 5 and 6. In part 3, they focus on universal basic principles when it comes to understanding and interpreting literature in the broad categories of prose and poetry. This will occupy chapters 7 and 8. When we come to part 4, they auger down a little more deeply into literature, examining various specific genres, and here they'll go section by section in major blocks of scripture. This spans chapters 9 and 10. Intentionally, the authors reserve until part 5 the goal that we're all after, which is application, not simply understanding, interpreting the Bible, but actually applying it to our lives today and applying it responsibly. I want to be sure you do not overlook the treasure that's located at the close of the book in the annotated bibliography. The authors provide a thorough, very, very extensive listing of resources of a variety of sorts that can be immensely useful to us in exploring the Bible. So I hope you'll take a look at that. It will greatly simplify your task at various points when you're looking for a particular kind of resource. Take a look and see what these writers have commented about various types of works and how they can help you in your task of Bible interpretation.